monire mosa tampokelelani. So in this video I'll be sharing with you emotions. So how do we name emotions in Chitumbuka? Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. Okay, so let's see. Emotions. Mapulikiru yinu. Mapulikiru means how are you feeling? This is why the next word is feelings. Mukujipulika uli. So I could not find in my head one word for emotions, but emotions I think are used interchangeably. Emotions, feelings, yeah. Mapulikiru. Mupulika uli. So when you're asking someone, how are you feeling? You'd say mupulika uli. Mukujipulika uli. Behaviors, nkhalu. So nkhalu zo pambana, meaning different behaviors. Pambana is different behaviors. Anger, kukwiya or befu. If someone says, hey, I have a befu, meaning you're someone who is too angry. Happy, kukondwa or kusekerera. Peaceful, mtende. Confused, kunangika mutu or kusokonezeka mutu. Kusokonezeka. Usati kusokoneja mutu. Kusokonezeka. Respect, nchindi or nkhalu. Someone who is respectful say, wana nkhalu. Or nkhalu aliji, meaning he doesn't have respect. Aliji nkhalu. Anxiety, kututira mchanya. Kututira mchanya is breathing fast. So that is the closest I could get to anxiety. Fear, kofia or kopa. Mwatofia, meaning, oh, you've caused fear in us. Or kopa, meaning, oh, now I'm afraid. I'm fearful. Surprise, tazizikika. Mwatizizika, you've surprised us. Tadaba, meaning it's the same thing. I'm surprised. Sad, kupasa chitima or kupachitima, kupwetekeka. Masozi means tears. It all means sad. Kupachitima, chitima means sadness. Kupwetekeka means it's hurting. But yeah, that causes sadness. Longing, kudoka. Oh my God, nadokera, meaning I'm longing for this or the other. Tired, vyakulema, or you are exhausted. It's the same, vyakulema. Pain, kupwetekeka. Mwatipweteka mwe. It means you are in pain. Or uruwaru. Uruwaru means I'm sick. But naruwara, it's like I'm feeling the pain because of ABCD. Kuvinya, kupwetekeka. Rested, kupumura. Panic, kupanikijika. It's like a borrowed word. Kupanikijika. But when we say napanikijika, it can mean I have a lot of things going on or I have a lot on my table. It's closer also to being restless. This is why it's just next to rested, the opposite, restless. So when you seem restless, people will ask you, Suzy, or if you have met someone or you've seen that someone is panicking because they've done something wrong, you say, hey, you're at nyemavi, meaning it's pressing on him. Kunyamavi meaning it's you will do pull or something like that. So it's very bad. The last word to learn of emotion is vulnerable. So nkongonu zamara, I'm weak, all my energy is gone. So nkongonu zamara, nkongonu is energy. So when you say nkongonu zamara, it means all my energy is gone. I'm feeling weak because of what has happened. So I hope you enjoyed this. Staruta yewo paweme tawonga. So it is a short video. Thank you. Bye.